Hi, welcome to ASVAB practice mechanical comprehension lesson 4. So today we will solve the 5 tricky problem. So today our first problem will be a 10-meter long lever is used to lift a 1000 kg weight. The fulcrum is placed 2 meter from the load. What is the mechanical advantage of the lever and what force must be applied to the lift to the load? So here our length of the lever, so length of the lever L will be 10 meter, and here fulcrum is placed 2 meter from the load. So here load length equals to 2 meter. So the effort arm length will be 10 minus 2 meter equals to 8 meter. So now we need to calculate the mechanical advantage. MA equal to 8 over the load length arm, or load arm length is 2 meter. Here we will get 4 will be the mechanical advantage. So here 1000 kg. So we need to convert kg. Weight equals to mg equals to 1000 kilograms. 1000 kilograms times 9.8 gravitational force m whole square. So here 9800 Newton meter. So what force must be applied to the lift the load? Here F equal to W over mechanical advantage. So here 9800 Newton meter and over mechanical advantage. So here 4. So we will get now force, like 4 will go over 98. So 4 will go over 2 is 48, and 48 over 2 will be 2 times. It's a 2400 Newton. So here 9800 divided by 4, it will give me the answer like 2400 Newton meter. Now come to another problem. Is here a block is attached to a movable pulley system with a 2.1 mechanical advantage if the weight of the block is 500 Newton. So here the MA will be 2 to 1 equals to 2, and now our weight of the block is 500 Newton. So now we find out the force. F equal to W over MA equals to 500 Newton over 2 equals to 250 Newton. So now come to another problem. This problem is a little bit complex. So first we need to understand about the problem. So a 300 Newton object is placed on a declined plane with a 60-degree angle to the vertical. So now it's a geometrical shape of triangle. Here is the box, and here is 300 Newton is the weight, and it will fall down but with the declined plane. So here there's no height, so just find out, like height is 2 meter. So now we need to calculate like this way. So here 60 degree, so 90 minus 60 degree equals to 30 degrees. So sine 30 degree, we can write down it's sine 30 degree. So now we need to calculate like this way. So we need to calculate the work effort. So it's a P or nu. We need to find out the value of work effort. W equal to mgas. So here m equals to 300 Newton, and here z equals to 9.8 meter per second square, and here a equals to 2 meter. So now we calculate mg a equal to s sine theta or x sine theta. So the a's or x value will be 2 meter, and here mg, so 300 Newton times 9.8 meter per second square times 2 times sine 30. Sine 30 value will be 0.5, so it's a 1. So 300 times 9.8, it's the work power, so Newton meter per second square. Here we have another meter. Okay, so it's a meter, so here meter, so Newton per second square. Newton equals to kg, meter per second square. So we can absolute. Okay, so your meter will be absolute, and now we will get 309.8. So first we need to calculate like 0 0, and 3 times 8 equals to 24, and 2 is a carry. 3 times 9 equals to 27, plus 2 equals to 29. 29 here, 29, and now we will get the point decimal. So here will be the decimal comes, and our value will be 2940 Newton second square. We can convert it like joule. So working effort unit is joule. So 2940 joule work effort will be generated when the 300 Newton box will go down with the gravitational force. So thanks for watching. And here another problem is here a gear with teeth 20 teeth meshes with a gear with 50 teeth. If the first gear is rotating at RPM 100 RPM, this what is the speed of second gear? Okay, so here also same things. So just do these things. The second gear, okay, ST, the speed of ST equals to, so we need to find out the mechanical advantage is 20 smaller teeth with a gear 350 teeth. So here is the mechanical advantage, and here the RPM will be 100 RPM. So now we will get the value like this way, 2/3, so 2/5. 2/5 times 100 RPM. So here 5 will goes over 2, it's 0.4 times. 0.4 times. So times 100 RPM. So we will get 0.4 means 4/10 times 100. 100 equals to 10 will goes over 10. It's 10 times 4 equals to 40 RPM. So the second, what is the speed of the second gear? The speed of the second gear will be 40 RPM. Now come to another problem is here. This is the last problem. A wrench with is used to apply a torque bolt. If the wrench is 0.3 meter long and a force of 50 Newton is applied to the perpendicular to the range. What is the torque exerted on the board? So it's a torque equal to F x sine theta. So here it's a perpendicular range applied perpendicularly, so it's a 90. So sine 90 value will be 1, and F equals to 50 Newton times 0.3 meter, and sine theta or sine 90 value will be 1. Here we will get 50 Newton times 0.3, so 3 over 10 meter. Now it's a 10 will goes over 50, it's 5 times, and 5 times 3 equals to 15 Newton meter will be the torque. So thanks for watching this video. Hope this problem will be very beneficiary for your test and make you more confident about the tricky maths of mechanical comprehension. So goodbye for now. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel for get more video.